welcome back. Today we are going to see an instrument, electroscope. Okay, uh, just a second. So, electroscope is basically a device that is used to detect presence of charge. Okay, right. Electroscope is basically a instrument which is used to detect presence of charge. Okay, on any body. Right. Uh, I would like to tell you the basic arrangement. See, there is this glass bottle. Okay, which is fitted with this insulated plug, rubber cord, you can say. Okay, and here a brass disc. Okay, and this goes inside the glass rod like a and connected with the rod, and there are two gold leaves. Okay, uh, gold leaves are actually uh, you can ask why gold leaves are used. Okay, uh, basically gold leaves are used because of since the first property, that is flexible. Okay, and second one is very thin. You know that they are a conductor. Okay, so they can be converted into very thin sheets. Okay, or thin leaves, uh, so that they can respond to small electrostatic force as well. Okay, for example, magnitude of force between these two leaves are is small, then they can respond to that force as well. Okay, electroscope is basically three types. Okay, pith ball electroscope, which you don't need to study as they are not in your syllabus. Okay, uh, the second one is gold leaf, and the third one is needle electroscope. Okay, uh, you are going to study this gold leaf electroscope. Okay, so we'll see gold leaf electroscope. What happens, let's say there is a brass, or let's say a rod. Okay, metallic rod. Okay, uh, and there is silk. Okay, what happens when we rub this silk on the, just a second, when we rub the silk on the rod, what happens, this rod gets positively charged. Okay, now we bring this rod to this. Okay, what happens, this is what positively charged rod. Okay, uh, this rod and this disc, all these things are neutral. What happens, they must be considering some free electron. Since this is a positive charge, so the free electrons flow from this towards this end. Okay, like this. Negative charge is accommodated here. Okay, and what happens here, here the free electrons are flown towards upper direction, so this leaf will get positively charged. Okay, and they repel each other. Okay, which means that this rod is what, it is charged. Okay, we have detected the presence of charge. Okay, uh, there's a drawback, you can't say drawback, but we can only detect the presence of charge. Okay, we can't tell the nature of the charge. For example, this is a negatively charged rod. Okay, we are bringing a negatively charged rod. What happens, the free electrons would have been there, must have been there, so they will flow towards the downward direction, and both the leaves get negatively charged, and they are like charges, so they will again separate out. So we exactly can't tell the nature of the charge. Okay, we can only tell the presence of charge, right? Now we can tell, in one situation we can tell the nature of charge if we already knew that the charge on this rod is nature of the charge. Let's say, uh, just to use this one, let's say this is a rod. Okay, it is already what, positively charged. Suppose we knew that charge on this is positive. Okay, and we are bringing a rod. Okay, which is positively charged. What happens, the uh, if there is a positive charge on these on this rod, the leaves must be separated a bit. Okay, and when we bring more positive charge, then what happens? This will get negatively charged and electron will flow from here. Okay, and leaves gets more separated like this. Okay, so we can say that we have bring positive charge so that leaves get more separated, and we if we bring negative charge body, okay, what happens? The electrons will what flow from here and the separation what it decreases. So we can tell the nature of the charge that we have bring towards the electroscope. Okay, uh, this is possible only in one situation, that we knew that charge on this body, nature of charge,